Today I woke up with a sweet tooth, and I had a bunch of key lemons from one of the trees on the farm. So we're making some candied lemons. Make a simple syrup with equal parts of sugar and water. Here I used 4 cups of water and 4 cups of sugar. Bring to a light boil. Then add your sliced lemons. Remove any seeds that you missed during the cutting process. They'll add a bitter edge to the candy that we really don't want. And mix occasionally to prevent them from sticking together.
Good job.
I used about 4 large lemons for this recipe. Once you've added all your lemons, mix and bring your heat up to a rolling boil. Then reduce your heat to the lowest setting and cover for 30 minutes to an hour. They're done when the lemon rind starts to look translucent. If you keep them in longer, they'll take on more of a gummy texture, so adjust the timing of this recipe based on what you prefer. Next, we're putting these on a wire rack to cool and let the sugary shells crystallize. I normally stick these in the freezer to speed up the process. These can be stored for more than a year in the freezer, or about a month in the fridge. I also made this key lemon ginger syrup by putting some fresh crushed ginger in the pot and simmering for an additional 15 minutes. That's good.